Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this e-commerce store that's pulling in $254,000 a month, selling what is probably the hottest category in e-commerce that I've come across. I just feel like anything you do in this category is absolutely going to crush it. I'll show you what they're selling. I'll show you how they're selling it. At the end, we're going to go ahead and reconstruct it so that we can sell products, either the same product in the same way or similar products in a similar way. But our goal is at the end trying to build a business that's doing $254,000 a month in sales. If at any point in this video I gave you any value, feel free to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, because it helps me understand what type of content you guys want to see. All right, so first let's take a look at this business. 324 orders, 13,000 a day. Any business doing close to this number has figured out something that most people will never do. Most people will never touch this level of craziness. $10,000 a day in sales. Okay, that's what some businesses make in a month. They've been able to figure out how to make that in a day. That doesn't happen by accident. And I know a lot of you guys out here say that Winning Hunter isn't accurate, but at the end of the day, even if it's a little accurate, let's say it's not 254,000, but it's around that same ballpark, I'm still happy with Winning Hunter. I'm still happy that I've come across a store that has some type of validation of success so that I know what to do. And more importantly, I'm going to try and avoid things that I feel like are mistakes. So I know what to do and I also know what not to do, right? That's very important. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the Facebook ads of this business. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and take a look at what they're selling as well. Okay, so this particular business is around weight loss, but collagen weight loss. Now, this is a very, very different business that we're being a part of. Okay, this is called Obvi Box. The Obvi Burn Box Bundle. Burn fat 24 hours a day. Obvi's morning, afternoon, and night formulas tag team your metabolism so it never goes off duty. Spark calorie burn at sunrise. Quiet cravings at lunch, and keep torching fat while you sleep. If this hasn't hit you yet, okay, this is a 3-step supplement process that helps you burn fat in the morning, quiet cravings at lunch, and then torch fat at night. So this is a weight loss play, okay? But it's with supplements and it's a 3-pack. But the thing that I was telling you, the thing that's sort of trending right now is this thing, collagenic. Anything with the word collagen is absolutely crushing it. And you know why I know this? Give me a second. Let me actually pull it up for you. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I have AI employees that do product research for me. Watch some of my other content on the channel if you want to know how I use AI employees to do that. But when I was doing AI research with AI employees, okay, anti-aging skincare is crazy crushing it. It's 100%. That's one of the things that I found. But another thing that I found is, hold on, where is it? It's here. Collagen, especially the biocollagen mask, is at 100% right now in search term. And anything to do with this niche, anything to do with collagen, I feel like is at a very, very high upward trend, okay? And I have never seen someone take collagen and mix it with weight loss. Maybe I'm new to this. If somebody's seen it, tell me. But both these industries, weight loss will never die. It's going to be always high. If you take something that'll help you lose weight, that's always going to make you money. But that system, that thing, that marketing angle has been overplayed. Okay, that marketing angle has been overplayed. Somebody came in, took a trending topic like collagen, and then mixed it with fat loss. And then combining both of these ultra high trending topics created a product that will absolutely dominate. Okay. And this goes back to something that I quite frequently say on the channel, is that products aren't saturated. Okay. Products like, for example, weight loss supplements. People say, hey, I don't want to sell a weight loss supplement because it's saturated. No, products aren't saturated. Marketing angles, or what I like to call it, angles of approach, how you approach your customer, those get saturated. Okay. So if you have been using like fat burners, okay, take this pill and burn fat, that thing has been saturated. But this new angle of collagen, your body needs collagen to burn fat. This is a new approach. And the fact that somebody used a fat burner and mixed collagen, basically trying to sell fat burners, which is a saturated product, with a new angle of approach, has now absolutely killed it. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Okay. If you're trying to figure out, it almost doesn't matter what the product is. It almost doesn't matter what the product is. What matters is, number one, that it's a niche that you like. Number two, it's an angle of approach. Number one, it's a niche that you like. Number two, it's a product that works. And the third thing that you have to figure out is how you're going to approach the angle. What is going to be your entry into this market? And if you can find a unique angle that is appreciated by your target audience, you are absolutely going to crush. And this is the genius that they've been able to figure out. Okay. All right. So now let's go through some of how they're advertising and then where they're sending their traffic to. Okay. So what they're doing is they're advertising weight loss, right? So after Teardown, I don't know what this word is. And after obvi. So this is something where I think they're taking shots at whatever this is. It's probably something that women are using for weight loss. And now they're saying, if you use this, you're going to have sustainable weight loss, overall health, newfound energy, and younger hair and skin. Now, before and after advertising with fat loss supplements is always very difficult. But because you use AI animated ads, it becomes very, very easy. I feel like I need to make another AI employee that helps you do weight loss advertising in this way. Leave a comment down below if you want me to create a weight loss AI employee for weight loss advertising. Look at this. Freeze your cravings without injections. So look at this. Look at how cool this concept is, where it's a burger in ice. Okay. And they're saying freeze your cravings. Okay. This is going to make anybody want to click. This is it, man. They figured it out. They cracked the code. They said, we're going to go after weight loss. We're going to come up with creative ways to tell people that we're going to help them lose fat. And then we're going to go ahead and use a very saturated product, but we're going to find a new way to hack it. And that's it. That's like the 200K secret. Okay. If you want to sell weight loss, just do this. Just literally do what they're doing. That's it. That's literally what you have to do. The only thing that you'll have to figure out is this product is kind of unique. So you're going to have to find a supplier to give you this product. But I'll show you how you can enter the collagen industry. If you want to sell collagen products, how you can enter the collagen industry in a much more better way. Okay, if you want to sell collagen, if you want to sell all of these products, I'll show you how to enter this industry in a much, much better way. Okay. Cool. So let's keep on going. I want to see some of these ads. Okay. Terzipatide. I feel like I've failed as like my schooling's failed me. Like, what is this word? Terzipatide. If I'm saying it wrong, just let me know. Okay, maybe it's like Ozempic or something that they're taking a shot at. They're just basically taking a shot at weight loss injections. So you get that type of strength in a system. It's always going to make you look at this. The vacation was amazing, but your body didn't get the memo that it's over. What a freaking ad, man. So this is what you're going to have to do. Again, figure out your angle of approach, right? How can you, okay. So over here, they're not showing before and after. They're not showing, oh, I'm big. I was big and fat and now I'm skinny. No, they're coming up with real life scenarios, to explain the problem. And again, this is an advertising hack I've used a lot. Even when I talk to ChatGPT for copy and for ads and stuff like that, which all of us do, I ask it, hey dude, in the copy, make sure you're putting in like real life scenarios, like real life actual problems that people are facing. Like, what are they actually going through? Don't give me like surface level stuff. Dig a little bit deeper. And how I know this this is an AI ad? Look at this. They didn't even change the bottom. This is some AI text. They didn't change it. They don't need to change it. This was supposed to say post-vacation rest reset needed. It turned out to be post-wow routine reset needed. It is what it is. The terzepatide in a system. Now, I know that I have seen this exact ad before. I've seen it in BB Collagen. I do a lot of this product research every single day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because I find, and they've actually used the exact same ad that the BB Collagen has used. Insane. Burn fat 24/7, one capsule at a time. Right. So now they figured out, okay, we're going to come out, we're going to show real life scenarios that people are going through. And then what are we going to do? We're going to help them click now. But we're not going to take them to a typical page. No, we're going to design an actual page that first educates them on what our fat loss process is. Then we're going to sell it to them. So that's why they're not taking people to a store where they have the product in the price. No, they're taking people to a custom designed page that talks to people about what their process is, what the steps are, and how this will help them lose weight. There is no mention of price in the start. There is only education, okay? So first they talk about how you can burn fat 24 hours a day, why your body needs collagen, which is the big buzzword, the big trend, triple the burn benefits. These women saw a significant difference in under 90 days, shop the triple burn bundle. 100,000 member Facebook community loves this, all of the customer testimonials. Why choose our 3-step fat burning system? Step 1 is the collagenic burn that you take in the morning. Step 2 is the collagenic fast burn that you take in the afternoon. And step 3 is the collagenic burn PM, which you take 30 minutes before bed. And all 3 products are fortified with 5 types of collagen: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then all of these reviews. So you're being educated on what the product is, what the process is, and what are the people that have benefit from them. And then finally, when you click any of these, you are taken to this page where you shop the 30-day supply, 60-day supply, and 90-day supply. And look at what they've done. What is smart? It's only $1 per day. It's only $1.66 per day. It's only $1.5 a day. Why wouldn't you pay that for weight loss, right? You buy now and then you go ahead and check out, okay? So very, very unlike typical Shopify store. So what have we learned throughout this process? Number 1 is the angle of approach is more important than what you're selling. Because us e-commerce dropshippers, unless we're the next Elon Musk or the next Steve Jobs, we're not going to invent something new. We have to sell something that already has a reliable supplier base. So number 1, how are we going to figure out our angle of approach? So if you go to shopfunnels.net/store, you're going to come across this. It's called the ShopFunnels Story Sell System. And this actually comes up with angles of approaches. Okay, this is an AI employee. It comes up with angles of approaches. Only sharing it with you guys for those of you guys who want to know how to come up with a new angle of approach. Finds your products. So because my AI creative director finds your product's hidden hook, the emotional trigger that makes buyers care. So this is going to come up with a lot of different angles of approaches for you. Okay. If you guys were wondering, okay, how do I figure it out? I just wanted to mention that that's there for you guys. Okay, so number 1 is what's really important to figure out is it doesn't matter. It almost doesn't matter what you're selling. It matters how you sell it. That's number 1. Number 2 is if you want to advertise on Facebook, don't do surface level advertising. Find out the hidden reasons why somebody wants the product. And again, that same AI employee I mentioned will be able to help you figure that out. You know, what are the hidden reasons? That will also help you circumvent Facebook ad policies. Sorry, not circumvent it. That was the wrong thing to say. That will help you get away with better ads without being stopped by Facebook. Okay, that's number 2. And number 3, don't go for the Shopify approach where you go ahead and mention price first. Use a page that is well built, that showcases and educates on the product first before you show the price. Okay. Now, I also promised you that I'll show you how you guys can get into the collagen e-commerce game without selling something as complicated as a 3-step system where you have to get 3 SKUs and build a page like this. Okay. It's called white label dropshipping. So go to shopfunnels.net, go to white label dropshipping, and this is where you're going to learn all about what white label dropshipping is. It's something new that we've done here at Daily E-commerce, where we allow you to take stores that have already crushed it in niches like collagen, and we create ready to launch versions that are available for you to white label. Okay, so let me walk you through what white label dropshipping is. So I'm going to actually log in to white label dropshipping. Sorry, give me a second. I put in the wrong link. Okay, now if I go to whitelabeldropshipping.com, shopfunds.net, this is the white label dropshipping community. It's new, it's just launched. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly okay, I've already logged in. Great. Okay, now if I go to white label stores and if I go here to Bio Collagen Face Mask, this store that is already proven itself, it's already made $72,000 in sales, is ready for us to launch. Okay, you click here, you download the white label, okay, and you go ahead and you simply log in to your ShopFunnels account. You add it to your project and boom, this store that's already made $72,000 in sales is ready for you to launch. All you need to do is attach your logo, all right, and that's it. You launch this, okay? And not just that, you have all of the research available as well for you. So you can see how much revenue this store is exactly made. You can see what supplier you're going to use to drop ship. And this store has everything. It even has the products added. So if you go here to products, the products are already added, priced. Everything is done for you in this store. And this is how, if you don't want to create a funnel like this, and you don't want to go ahead and research products, and you know that you want to be in this collagen space, this is my sort of humble answer to that. It's called the white label dropshipping system. With the white label dropshipping system, you get a ton of stuff. You get AI employees, you get premium templates, you get live calls with me, you get a mastermind where you can ask us questions, you get a ton of stuff. But most importantly, you get stores that we have built, modeling stores that are already successful. We create safe to use versions of it for you. All you do is attach your logo and launch it. Okay. And what's the cherry on top? The cherry on top with the system, and I don't want to plug it too much, but the cherry on top with this system is not only do you get the stores, you also get the ads. Okay. So that's all included in this new white label dropshipping system. Okay. So for those of you guys who are interested in the white label dropshipping system, it will be linked down below. Go ahead and check it out. This is where you have stores that are literally ready to launch. All you have to do is slap your logo on it and you are good to go. And that's it. That's all I'm going to say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this business was cool, go ahead and let me know. If you want to review more businesses like this, go ahead and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Appreciate each and every one of you. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.